Hello, we can make your website for a good price. You can see it has got e-commerce available, and the link on the top here, you can click on products and it brings you down to the latest products. You can easily change the pictures, the price. You can put rupees here. Add to cart is option is available. So when they say add to cart, you can see Nike Light has been added, and on the top you can see 120, the value was added to the top. And similarly, if I click on any other product, it says white shoes and the price is added, and they can continue to do so. We have this composite layout where you can add the pictures of the same product if you want, four of those, like this, and do it. And then finally, you can see the checkout button is here, and when the user clicks it, it comes to your cart. And here you can see they can increase the value to more, like 4 units, 2 units, like that, or they can even remove the item, and then they can place the order in which it'll ask if they want to pick up at the shop or home delivery, and you can control that. And if they do pick up at shop, they can say that I'm going to come at this time, or home delivery, they can enter the address. And finally, once they say proceed, after that, so I will just put some arbitrary date here, like this, and 17, and home address is my house, for example, and proceed. Then they will get the name and the phone number and the email address, and they'll message you and place order. You will get all this information with their order information, with their phone number and email, into your inbox. And after that, they can make payment. If you have the online payment option, we can enable that for you, and then they will give you the money that you need to sell. So if you're interested in this, please let me know. The price is sent to you in a message, and we can get this ready for you very quickly. Okay, thank you.